विश्वेशं माधवं धुण्डिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवम् वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्। Welcome, devotees. We will see in this episode more shivlings installed by various rishis in Kashi, namely Muchkundeshwar, Pulaheshwar, and Pulatishwar. Muchkundeshwar. Importance of Muchkundeshwar Ling has been mentioned in Kashikand chapter 97. This Shivling is said to have been installed by Muchkund Rishi. According to Kashikand, devotees who worship this ling will derive all happiness and will attain moksha. Muchkundeshwar is known by the name of Badadev and is located near Jaipuriya Bhavan, Gadolia. Incidentally, producers of this video series, Mrs. Mahadev Handloom House, have their showroom in the opposite direction to this temple. Pulaheshwar. Kashikand chapter 18 mentions that various lings have been installed in the holy city of Kashi by great rishis. It is worth mentioning here that on account of intense prayers to the lords, the rishis have attained divine powers. Towards the north of Swargadwar is the ling of Pulaheshwar. This ling has been installed by the great rishi Pulaha. Devotees who worship this ling will reach Prajapati Lok after death. In heaven, various kinds of houses are there which are occupied by devatas and punyatmas, depending on their karma. As per order of Satkarma, houses occupying the highest level are those of Indra, Brihaspati, Prajapati, and Brahma. So devotees are indeed lucky who perform puja archana of Pulaheshwar Ling in Kashi. Pulaheshwar is located on the way to Manikarnika, opposite Swargadwari Ling. Pulatishwar. Kashikand mentions one Shivling known as Pulatishwar, which has been installed by Rishi Pulastya. This holy Shivling is located in the same premises where Pulaheshwar Ling is located. Pulatishwar Ling is considered to be very powerful, and devotees who perform puja of this ling will acquire high level of intellect and attain moksha. Devotees coming here can worship both Pulaheshwar and Pulatishwar situated in one room.